time to discuss the new ID in fullness, but I will particularly highlight three new features. One is the MLI, or the multi-laser image. Okay, we shall give you a picture and show you where it is. It shall be at the bottom of the card, like here. It shall turn and change. What is this trying to do? It's embedded within the polycarbonate. So for those of you who photocopy and copy this thing, we shall now be able to know you, even a normal person. Those who usually overlay this image, they shall notice that the overlaid image does not coordinate with the image within the multi-laser image. We have also embedded a picture in the map of Uganda, the same picture. So your picture will be here in the MLI and embedded here. So even if you don't have very expensive gadgets, you'll be able to pick the card and know that somebody has attempted to tamper with it, or it's actually the original card. The MRZ, or the machine readable zone, that one existed in our previous cards. It's this one. It is ICAO compliant. We have a wider barcode this time, with one fingerprint, one iris, and I think one photo, and some textual details. The new thing is we have a QR code for online authentication, meaning when you read the QR code, it will give a link that will lead you to your information, but you will be required to consent or give a biometric for us to know that it is you seeking your information. So a detailed breakdown of the new card and the new features will be provided to the media houses. Change of particulars. Change of particulars shall only happen at the district. I repeat for emphasis. Change of particulars shall only happen at the district offices of NIRA. It shall not be conducted at parish level. The reason for this is that it has some quite intense legal requirements that may not be easy for a new person who is just dealing with a kit to have and hold in their head. There are 9 classes of change of particulars, each with its own requirements. NIRA has provided the details of that online, and my team will avail these books for what is required for each of those. I want to take this opportunity to thank His Excellency the President of Uganda, the Ministry of Internal Affairs, the Parliament of Uganda, the Ministry of Finance, and all stakeholders who have worked so hard to see that this exercise begin. I also want to commend the patience of Ugandans who have borne with us even as their cards expire, and call upon them to join with us at this time and participate in this exercise. Thank you very much.